In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a surreal collage and to blend images in PIXLR. Let's get started. First, create a canvas for your collage. You can choose whichever size or resolution suits you, but in this tutorial, I will be using 1920 by 1080 pixels. Now, open your transition image. To do this, click on the Layer tab on the menu bar and select Open Images Layer. I will be using this keyhole to create a contrast with the background. You can now reposition the image as well as resize it to your preference. Then, combine both layers by clicking on the top layer and select Merge Down. Now, select the areas that you would like to erase by using the One Select tool at the toolbar. Then, click the Delete key and press Ctrl D to deselect. Now, open the image that you would like to put on the foreground of the photo. To do this, click on the Layer tab once again and select Open Images Layer. Once you've uploaded the image in PIXLR, you can now resize and reposition the image to your liking. Once you're satisfied, open the background image by clicking on the Layer tab once again and select Open Images Layer. Now, select the background image layer and drag it to the bottom of the layers. Then, click on the top layer and choose the blending option that you would like. But in this tutorial, I will be using exclusion. If you're satisfied with how the photo looks, you can now save it to your computer. But if you would like to add more layers, you can do so by clicking on the Layer tab and select Open Images Layer. To delete certain areas from your image, make sure to select its layer and click on the Cutout tool and select Draw Mask. You can resize the brush to its respective slider. Now, drag the brush through the areas that you would like to erase. And there you go. You now have a surreal collage in PIXLR. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.